Good morning, students. Okay, in this video, we are on a concluding part. Okay, let's see. On returning home, Siley told her mother very enthusiastically, Mummy, look what I have brought for you. Her mother picked up the earrings. Okay, so when we has returned from the picnic, we show various things that we have brought from the picnic point, okay, to our family members. So in the same way, Siley was doing the same. Okay, she told her mother very enthusiastically, means very happily, very interestingly, Mummy, look what I have brought for you. Then her mother picked up the earrings. She exclaimed, Hello dear, how am I going to wear such heavy earrings? Okay, so her mother replied that, How am I going to wear such heavy earrings? Siley immediately realized her mistake. Okay, so Siley realized her mistake. Okay, Siley had purchased the earrings in the field of the moon's gravity. Okay, so what mistake she did? She had purchased the earrings in the field of the moon's gravity. Okay, so we have studied earlier that gravitational force on moon is 1/6 as that of on the earth. Okay, so students, she have done mistake. She have to purchase from the shops inside the settlements. Okay, but she have not done that. She have bought that from outside the settlement shopkeepers. Okay, so because here you can see the shopkeepers from roadsides, okay, were screaming that please take these ornaments, okay, they are very cheap, etc. So she have bought that earrings from unauthorized shops. Okay, so students, you should understand some things, okay, from this chapter. Okay, so firstly, you should buy from the authorized shops. Okay, and you should obey the teachers or parents with whom you are going for picnic. Okay, you should obey your teachers. Okay, they are telling you right. So in this chapter, we have learned that a girl named Siley have gone to picnic on the moon. Okay, her mother have managed to pay the fees for going to moon because the trip was very expensive, but for her girl she have done that. Okay, and after going to the moon they have 3 days of picnic. Okay, and on the first day they have done sky watching. On the second day they have seen the circus, enjoyed the circus, and on the third day they have visited Neil Armstrong statue. Okay, the historical place. And on the returning time, Siley have bought earring for her mother. Okay, but from the shops from the outside the settlements where gravitational force is present is of the moon. Okay, so she bought the earrings. Okay, but that are on the earth, that are very heavy. Okay, because okay, see, the thing which is present on the moon, if it weighs 500 gram, okay, then on the earth it will weigh 3000 grams. See, okay, that means 3 kg. Okay, so how can anyone wear the earrings of 3 kg? Okay, it is not possible. So she have done the mistake of buying the earring from the shops which are present outside the settlement. See, the receptionist who was present there, she suggested, okay, that you should buy the articles from the inside shops inside the settlement. Okay, so What do you understand by this lesson? You should obey your teacher or your parents. Okay? Otherwise, you will do a mistake. Okay? Thank you.